Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna hop up into our 79 Bronco. Runs good, blinker to the left. I think the indicator doesn't work. I know the blinker works. Horn works. Here. Might have the fuse out of the stereo. Do that for storage a lot of times, but anyway, it's not working. Dome light works. Wipers work. Take a listen. Oh yeah, right there is the wire for the radios. All original up underneath there. Power steering, power brakes, AC. 400. Yep, there's that blinker blinking. So I'm pretty sure that everything works on this truck. So, beautiful truck. Really neat with the freewheeling and the Marti report and stuff. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.